To my YouTube channel. Today I am going to start EXP22 chapter 7 Cam Hot Tops. Here you can see it's a greater project of Microsoft Excel chapter 7. If you need the solution of this project, you can directly text me through WhatsApp or email. Now I am going to move for the project description. You are a data analysis for the ultimate hot top, which the location in 5 states you want to analyze the sample says okay. Here you can see the project description. I am dealing with Microsoft all classes, simulation training, simulation exam, weekly assignments, weekly exam and weekly quizzes. I am here to do a quality grade for you in all assessments. Just text me through WhatsApp or email. I can handle your all classes with quality grades. Okay, now I am going to move for the step number 1. Start Excel, download it and open the file name EXP22 Excel chapter 7 hot top. Here you can see it's the first step of EXP22 Excel chapter 7 cumulative hot tops. I already downloaded the Excel workbook. I shown you already. Now I am going to move for my next step. Insert D2, insert the weekday function, return the series number representing the first hot was insert D2. Here you can see I am going to do the step number 2 here. Insert D2, insert the weekday function. Okay. Insert D2 weekday function. Okay. Okay, I have done this one and by using the fill handle and apply the custom number with DD format. Okay. Now I am going to move for my next step. It's a select the D2. I already done this one by using the DD custom format. Now I am going to move for my next step. Step number 4. Insert G2, insert the days function to calculate the number of the days between the date ordered and date received. The first order, apply the center horizontal alignment. Okay. I am dealing with Microsoft all classes, simulation training, simulation exam, weekly assignments, weekly exam and weekly quizzes. Insert G2. Here you can see insert days function. Okay. I have done this one. I am dealing with Microsoft all classes, simulation training, simulation exam, weekly assignments, weekly exam and weekly quiz. Days function F2, E2. Okay, and by using the fill handle, complete the function. I have completed the step number 4. Now I am going to move for my next step number 5. It's a insert C to insert the switch function to calculate the first value in the code column. Switch the PD. Okay. Insert C to insert the switch function. Here you can see I am going to solve the step number 5 now. It's a insert C to insert the switch function. Okay. Insert the switch function. Okay. B2 comma. Okay. Comma paid in full. Comma here you can see I have insert a switch function and complete the series according to the instruction and find the values for the pay status, that is paid in full, and then it says copy the function ranges C3 to C12 by using the fill handle. Copy the function. I have done this one. Now I'm going to move for my next step. Let's say in cell I2 insert the if function, evaluate if days hot up air. You can see I'm going to do the step number 6 now. I am dealing with Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint, Microsoft Database Access. Now I'm going to do the step number 6 here. I am going to do the step number 6. In cell I2 insert the if function, evaluate the days are the first hot up. Okay, here you can see I am going to do the step number 6 now. I am dealing with Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint, Microsoft Database Access. Now I am going to insert the if function. Okay. Here you can see H and I, comma G2. Here you can see comma okay G2 version 0. Here you can see I have inserted the if function to find the values for the credit store credits. Here you can see I have done this one. I am dealing with Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint, Microsoft Database Access. Just text me through WhatsApp or email. I am dealing with Microsoft all classes, simulation training, simulation exam, weekly assignments, weekly exam and weekly quizzes. Then it says copy the function I2 to I12, I3 to I12. Okay, by using the fill handle. Okay. Now I am going to move for my next step. Let's say insert J2 insert a if function with nest and if function. Here you can see I am going to do the step number 7 now. I am dealing with Microsoft all classes, simulation training, simulation exam, weekly assignments, weekly exam and weekly quizzes. Just text me through WhatsApp or email if you drop in any project. I am here to do a quality grade for you. I can make 100% grade for you in all assessment. Here you can see I am going to do this one. If and function. Okay, if and or. Okay, A2 3. Okay, comma A2 okay, sincerity. Okay, comma C2 equal to wait and fold. I am doing this one. Okay, here you can see. Now I am going to complete the last sand. Here you can see I have completed this one. I have done and inserted a if and function. Here you can see and find the value for the thank you gift, and now I am going to complete by using the fill handle. Copy the function. I am dealing with Microsoft all classes, simulation training, simulation exam, weekly assignments, weekly exam and weekly quizzes. Now I am going to move for my next worksheet. Okay. Today I am going to solve EX2 chapter 7. Come hot up. If you need the solution of this project, you can directly text me through WhatsApp or email. Display the map worksheet, select A3 to B8 and insert a map, cut the map and paste into D1. Display the map worksheet. Insert a map, cut the map and paste into D1. Okay, change the map title. Here you can see I am going to do the change the map title. Okay, here I need to put a title. Apply blue identified darker 50% font color for the chart title. Here you can see I am going to do this one. I am dealing with Microsoft all classes, simulation training, simulation exam, weekly assignments, weekly exam and weekly quizzes. Just text me through WhatsApp or email if you need the solution of any Microsoft class. Charge the map title. Okay. Change the chart map title annual hot up. Okay. I am dealing with Microsoft all classes, simulation training, simulation exam, weekly assignments, weekly exam and weekly quizzes. Here you can see I am going to insert the chart title. I am dealing with all classes, simulation training, simulation exam, weekly assignments, weekly exam and weekly quizzes. Just text me through WhatsApp or email if you need the solution of any Microsoft class. I am here to deliver quality grade for you. Okay. Set 2.8 and 4.6 width and height. 2.8 and 4.6. 2.4 and 3.6 and 4.6. Okay. It says display the loan worksheet in cell B3, insert a rate function. Okay. Display the loan worksheet in cell B3. Here is the loan worksheet in cell B3. Here you can see I am going to complete this one. I am dealing with Microsoft all classes, simulation training, simulation exam, weekly assignments, weekly exam and weekly quizzes is equal to 12 multiplied by and B2 comma B4 comma minus B1. Here you can see I have inserted a function in cell B3 and find the values for the APR. As you can see, now I'm going to move for my next step. Let's say in cell 8 insert the edit function. In cell 8 insert the edit function. In cell A8 edit function Ch07. Okay, then let's say select the ranges and copy the function A19 to A9 to A18. Copy the function. Next it say select the ranges A8 to A8. Apply the short date format. Align right horizontal alignment. A8 to 18. Short date, okay, and align right alignment, okay. In cell E1 insert component function 2. Okay, now I'm going to do the step number 19. Here you can see I'm going to do this in cell E1. Here you can see component function, okay. B3 divided by B3 divided by B2, comma B2, comma B1, comma B7, comma B18, comma 0. Here you can see I have inserted a function, okay. Okay, next let's say in cell E to insert the complex function to calculate the complex competency. Okay, here you can see I'm going to do the step number 20. In cell E to insert the complex function. Okay, B3 divided by B2, comma B2, comma B1, B2, comma B1, comma B7, comma B12, 12. Okay, I have done this one. Here you can see I have put two functions, compare and comparing. For this I am dealing with Microsoft all classes, simulation training, simulation exam, weekly assignments, weekly exam and weekly quizzes. Today I am going to solve e-experience 2 Excel chapter 7 come HotTub. If you need the solution of this project, you can directly text me through WhatsApp or email. I can make 100% grade for you in all assessment. In cell C7 insert the IMPT function to calculate the first month, okay. In cell C7 insert the IMPT function. Here you can see IPMT function, okay. B3 divided by B2. Apply absolute assumptions for both one. Okay. B2, comma B7, comma B dash and 2, comma minus B1, B dash and 1. Okay, here you can see I have found the values, and then let's say copy the function C8 to C18. Okay. Now I'm going to move for the next step. Inside D7, insert the ppempty function. Okay, inside D7, insert the ppempty function. Ppempty function. Okay, B3 divided by B dash and 2, comma B7, comma B dash and 2, comma minus B dollar sign B dollar sign 1. Okay, here you can see I have done this one. And say copy the function to D8 to D18. Okay, now I'm going to move for my next step. In cell E7, insert the formula to calculate the range. Okay, now you can see here I'm going to do the step number 23. Okay, equal to B1 minus D7. Okay, and by using the fill handle complete this. Okay, here you can see today I have done EXP22 exit chapter 7 cumulative HotTubs. If you need the solution of this project, you can directly text me through WhatsApp or email. I am dealing with Microsoft all classes, simulation training, simulation exam, weekly assignments, weekly exam and weekly quizzes. I already gave my direct WhatsApp link and email address in the description. You can directly text me through WhatsApp or email. I am here to do a quality guide for you. Okay, thank you so much.